In this video, I will show you how to enable and disable developer option. Go to settings of your phone. Go to my phone or about phone. Scroll to down. Tap on this build number 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So now it will ask you to confirm your password. As you can see now, it says you are a developer. So now to check it, all you have to do, go back and scroll to down last and go to system. As you can see now, I have developer option on my phone. So now if you want to disable your developer option, all you have to do now, come to your developer option section. After you open developer option, turn it off like this and close your setting app. Now long press your hand on the setting app, tap on this app info, go to storage and cache, clear the storage and cache of the setting app. So it will take you out like this. So now you disable your developer option. Hope this video helps you out. Don't forget to like and subscribe.